Hi, I'm Fergus Derwin, COO of Teleport Industries. We've been around for 30-odd years building structural steel projects for Africa and across the globe. I'd like to tell you about our journey and invite you to come along as we build our company and help our people grow. The global economy is now more integrated than ever. Manufacturers can reach all markets and must compete on price, keeping transport costs to a minimum, work with governments, and forge relationships with workers. Global businesses are facing a huge shortage of technical skills. In particular, in the United States and Canada, there's over 400,000 positions that will be open from 2025, and no personnel available from those countries to fill these positions. At Teleport, however, we have a huge base of welders, boilermakers, blasters, painters, and other technical staff in order to satisfy the needs of the projects that these countries are building. However, we don't have infrastructure projects to build. This is a win-win situation for both countries. We build and supply the technical skills for the products and supply them to the countries out of South Africa. This addresses our unemployment statistics in South Africa and also makes sure that the infrastructure projects in these Northern Hemisphere countries are built with the best quality and price. The Coega IDZ is a gateway to global markets. It is a world-class facility with a deep water port offering tax incentives, municipal incentives, tax rebates, and a wonderful environment for families to grow in. With the depressed economy that we have in South Africa and the declining steel industry, this steel business opportunity allows us to develop a business plan that's sustainable for the next 2 to 3 decades. It's ironic that in the rest of the world, large infrastructure projects are booming, unemployment is low. When we compare that to the situation in South Africa, we have high unemployment and a dearth of infrastructure projects. We plan to establish the largest steel fabrication business in Africa in the Coega Industrial Development Zone. We can grow the technical skill base in South Africa by using these international projects to create apprenticeships for welders, boilermakers, and other technical skills. In fact, this opportunity allows us to be competitive against nations that previously was very difficult to compete against. We know that we can win this work, and we know that we can create work for South Africa. South African government's National Development Plan, a blueprint for our social and economic development, calls for industries to work with government to create job opportunities and industries and create employment. This will allow us to create over 400 jobs in this region, beneficiating the raw materials that we have in South Africa and creating a long-term, solid business. Come along with us as we take advantage of our favorable exchange rates, our fantastic technical skill base, our government incentives, and the ability to build a long-term sustainable business. We're excited about the future, and we hope you are too.